Hi children. In our previous class, we discussed about the following topics: arithmetic mean, median, mode, and range. Today we are going to discussing about the topic chance and probability. If you asked, will the sun rise tomorrow morning? What will be your answer? It will be, of course. Is there any doubt in your mind that it couldn't happen? No. Could something go wrong that could make the sun stop rising? No. So, you are very sure that the sun will rise tomorrow morning. So, this is a sure event. Think of some more sure events. The sun will rise in the east. The sun will set in the west. I will be older tomorrow than I am today. Can you think of 3 more? Now think about the answer to this question. Will the sun rise from the west? What is your answer to this? Of course no. Is there any doubt in your mind that the sun will never rise in the west? No. You are very sure that it cannot happen. This is an impossible event. Let's think of some more impossible events. A cat giving birth of a puppy. Gravity stops working on the earth. A dice landing with the number 8 on top. Now think of 3 more impossible events. If you toss a coin, what are the possible results? You can get heads or you can get tails. So answer this question. If you toss a coin, will you get heads? What is the answer to that? You will say maybe. It means it's possible that it will happen. Since you can get heads or tails, you are not sure that it will happen. You are not sure that it will not happen. You really can't say. So, there is a possibility or a chance that it will happen. Mathematicians use the word probability for this. Events are that you cannot say are certain and cannot say are impossible are probable events. Let's think of some. Will tomorrow be a cloudy day? We can't say yes or no to this for sure. Will you get full marks in the maths exam this year? Events are that you cannot say are certain and cannot say are probable events. Will Indian win a gold medal in gymnastics in the Olympics? Will I get a 6 when I throw the dice? So all these questions get the answer. Maybe, maybe not. They are probable events. They even have a way of calculating probability of an event. It's quite simple. What are the different answers that you can get when you toss a coin? You can get heads or you can get tails. So there are 2 answers. What is the answer that you are looking for? Heads. So that is one answer. They even have a way of calculating probability of an event. It is quite simple. What are the different answers that you can get when you toss a coin? So put this in a fraction. The answer we want divided by all possible answers. That is equal to 1 divided by 2. So the probability of getting heads is 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting a 6 when you throw the dice? Let's get all the possible answers. What are the options that you have when you throw the dice? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 possible answers. What answers are we interested in? Just one, the number 6. So the probability is the answer we want divided by all possible answers. That is equal 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting a number bigger than 4 when you throw the dice? What are the possible options? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 possible answers. What are the answers we are interested in? 5 or 6. So 2 possible answers. Probability is equal the answer we want divided by all possible answers. That is equal to 2 by 6 is equal 1 by 3. There are 4 flashcards, 1 red, 1 green and 2 blue. What is the probability of drawing a blue card? Let's get all the possible answers. We have red, green, blue, blue. So there are 4 possible answers. What answers are we interested in? Blue and blue. So there are 2 possibilities. Probability is equal to the answer we want divided by all possible answers is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. One blue card is added to the pack. Now, what is the probability of drawing a blue card? Let's get all the possible answers. We have red, green, blue, blue, blue. So there are 5 possible answers. What answers are we interested in? Blue, blue and blue. So there are 3 possibilities. Probability is equal to the answer we want divided by all possible answers is equal to 3 by 5. Has the probability increased or decreased when we added in a blue card? For this, let's compare the 2 probabilities 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. That is equal 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. Both are equal to 1 by 2. So the probability does increase when we add in a blue card. A pack of playing cards has 52 cards. There are 4 suits: hearts, diamonds, club and spade. Hearts and diamonds are red, clubs and spades are black. In each suit there are 10 number cards from ace to 10 and there are 3 picture cards called Jack, King and Queen. Let's get all the possible answers. What are the options that you have when you pull a card? There are 52 cards. So there are 52 possible answers. What answers are we interested in? Only the 2 of diamonds. What is the probability of drawing the 2 of diamonds? That is just 1 card. So there is 1 number. Probability is equal to the answer we want divided by all possible answers. That is equal to 1 by 52. What is the probability of drawing the diamond picture card? Let's get all the possible answers. What are the options that you have when you pull a card? There are 52 cards, so there are 52 possible answers. What answers are we interested in? Jack, King and Queen of Diamonds. Jack, King and Queen of Diamonds. That is 3 cards. So there are 3 answers. Probability is equal to the answer we want divided by all possible answers. That is equal to 3 by 52. As you can see, probability is always seen in fractions. When would the probability of an event be 0? We know that probability is the answer we want by all possible answers. For probability to be 0, the numerator has to be 0. So, there should not be even a single option in the possible answers that we want. That means it is an impossible event. Let's understand this with an example. A box has a red ball, a green ball and a yellow ball. What is the probability of drawing a blue ball? Let's all the possible answers. We have red, green, yellow. So there are 3 possible answers. Which of these answers are we interested in? None. We want blue ball and there is no blue ball, so 0. We want 0 of these answers. So the probability is the answer we want by all possible answers is equal 0 by 3 is equal to 0. So what does 0 probability mean? It means the event is impossible. When would the probability of an event be 1? We know that probability is the answer we want by all possible answers. For probability to be 1, the numerator and denominator have to be the same. That means we should want all the options that are available. That means it is a certain event. Let's understand this with an example. A box has a red ball, a green ball and a yellow ball. What is the probability of drawing a red ball or a green ball or a yellow ball? We have red, green, yellow. So there are 3 possible answers. Which of these answers are we interested in? All. We are okay with drawing any color of ball. So we want all of these answers. So the probability is the all possible answers is equal 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So what does 1 probability mean? It means event is certain. So we know that probability equal 1 means an event is certain. Probability is equal 0 means an event is impossible. What about all the other probabilities? They lie between 0 and 1. So they are fractions. You can even express the fraction as a percentage. What is the probability of getting heads when you toss a coin? You know the formula. So the probability is 1 by 2. Convert this probability to a percentage. That is 1 by 2 into 100 is equal 50%. So the probability of getting heads when you toss a coin is 50%. That's what the probability is all about. Now you know about the probability and chance.